Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Hey, if you're a guitar player, maybe you play in a band, maybe you're just a soloist, or maybe you just want to play guitar around the campfire with friends and family. Whatever the case may be, at some point, someone is going to ask you to play a little bit of the Eagles. And with a large, fantastic catalog of songs to choose from, no song is more popular than Hotel California. Written by Don Felder, Don Henley, and Glenn Frey, this was a #1 song for them in 1977 and is arguably one of the most popular songs on the planet even to this day. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this #1 hit. Okay, this particular song requires 6 chords, 2 of which are bar chords. So you need to have a general understanding of how bar chords are played and how they work in order to get through the version that I perform. With that said, let's have a closer look at them now. First chord is a B minor. There's an F sharp bar chord. I use an A, I use an E major, there's a G chord, and then finally I use a D. All fairly easy chords, you just have to practice them a few times to get her down. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, so for the purposes of my guitar tutorial today, we are only showing you the chords, the chord progression, and a little bit of strumming. This particular song is instantly recognizable by its intro, where the guitar player, Don Felder, basically plays this arpeggio-style picking for the first part of the song. What I'm referring to, and those of you that know the song, I'm referring to... He basically plays it that style for the intro. If there's enough interest in this video and some of you actually want to learn that, or at least the style that I use, drop me an email. We'll review it and do a little tutorial on that alone. For now, if you get these chords down, that particular intro will be very easy to do. With that said, let's get started on some strumming and the chord progression. Song starts on the B minor bar chord. Here we go. To the F, to the A, to the E major, to the G, to the D chord. Back to the E major, then to that F sharp bar chord. On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, saw a shimmer of light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven, or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. You can find me here any time of year. And that's it. That's the chords, the chord progression, and a little bit of strumming for the entire song. A fun song to play. A quick note, if you're going to play along with me on this tutorial, I do use my capo on the first fret. For whatever reason, that key works a little bit better for me while I'm singing. With that said, you know the routine. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to use an Eagles backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me.
On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Ahead in the distance, saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell. I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. And she lit up a candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. You can find me here, anytime of year. She was different, twisted. She had the Mercedes Benz. She had a lot of pretty boys she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. And he said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. Still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, with your alibi. Mirrors on the ceiling, big champagne on ice. We're all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chambers, gathered for a feast. They stab it with the steely knife, you just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, running for the door. Had to find a passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the night man, we are programmed to receive. check out anytime you like. Just can never leave. Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. You'll find me here any time of year.
And there you have it, Hotel California, written by Don Felder, Don Henley, and Glenn Frey. Thank you for tuning into my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I truly, truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.